Hello everyone. In this video we'll be unboxing the Ford Model A Custom 31 from 2025's G case. This is a brand new casting and I'm just really excited to get into it. Okay, before we get into the car, let's look at the packaging itself. Here we see the Model A itself, and it looks really good. Though on first glance, it looks a bit glossy, this color, compared to the matte red that we have here. And it looks a bit more detailed than it actually is, because it's all like simplified for the plastic casting as opposed to the art. That's where it kind of lets down. The engine details is also like a bit lacking compared to the real car. Anyway, we'll get into that later. This emblem means that it is a new casting for 2025. I don't believe this version of the Model A has existed, but I believe there are different Model A's that have existed before. It's part of the HW Dirt series, the 7th car. And at the back here we see the name, and since this is an international card, we also do not see any details specifying the car or this series from here, as opposed to a US card. We see the Ford licensing detail and the Mall E. I'm not sure what that is actually. Hopefully someone will let us know in the comments. And yeah, let's cover into it. I bought this car online because they are selling for less than retail. I have no idea why. It's really pretty and it's a new casting, so I thought why not get it. If you want to see more cars from future cases that have not landed yet in the US or any other region, do let me know. I'll try my best to get them and show it to you guys in detail. I'm able to do that. Right. Yeah. No, I'll just cut it all since I want the card anyway. Okay. Ta-da. Released from its plastic prison. Wow, okay. First impressions, it feels really heavy. Like, it feels dense as opposed to what I thought it would look. It has a metal on plastic construction. The base is plastic, and I'm seeing some paint chips. A thing to note is that this casting introduces this type of wheel. It is called the WWIM wheel, and it looks really good. I like it. I can't wait to see what cars they put this wheel on. It does have a staggered wheel setup. Alright, let's take a walk around. The front here, you see the X headlights. And we see the really thin front wheels. The supports are actually thicker than the wheel itself. I get to see the grille and get to see the design. It is part of the HW Dirt series, so I can see why there's weathering. And honestly, this weathering looks really pretty. Oh, on closer inspection, it does look printed, but when looking at it, like, not zoomed in, it looks really realistic and really believable. At the side here we see 43 and CC, the shorthand for the designer's name, Craig Callum. And yeah, we get to see the engine, which is very blocky and not very detailed. At the back here we see a whole lot of nothing. This red bump, I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like a light or that's supposed to be like a bonnet handle. Side here we see the Mali like sponsor logo. and CC again, and 43. Yeah, it's quite simple. Oh, I just noticed it's asymmetrical. Like the exhaust only goes one side, not both sides. And at the top here we see a sun window. It's like it's not transparent. It's just hollow. See the insides of the car. Ooh, something I didn't notice looking at the packaging. Can you see? There's like a little helmet with like a visor in there. That's pretty cool. Something I neglected to mention is that this casting and livery is based on Old Red, a Ford Model A that's owned by Craig Cullum, the designer of this casting. Anyway, let's give this a roll. Wow, rolls really well. Rolls better than I was expecting. But I would worry about the longevity of this casting, especially not kept in a storage container, something like this. Mostly because free axles like this from Hot Wheels are known to bend when pressure is applied to them, and I've had a few free axle cars just offing themselves because of pressure, or just it's like play pressure, like you gently tap on it, not like someone stepping on it, right? Someone stepping on it will definitely damage it. That's reasonable. But yeah, I would worry about that for the longevity of this casting. But before then, this car looks absolutely amazing. Let's bring in the scale here, show you guys the weight. This car weighs 30 grams. Not a lot, but it is a very small package, so it does feel right. It does feel dense enough. And let's bring in the turntable to let you guys see this car in detail. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this unboxing of the Ford Model A Custom 31. And if you guys have any comments and suggestions, please leave it down in the comments below. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this. And rolled away, what the hell? Okay, this car wants to go. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this unboxing. And it still rolls away.